I want the record to show I voted no.
Look at me, I didn't vote yes.
Yeah, you
I
did.
didn't vote yes, although they're pretty cool.
Okay, so these are a set of custom hybrid Dominator XL tracks from a company in Michigan called American Track Trucks. American Truck Tracks?
Truck tracks, I think. Yeah.
Something like that. But regardless, these are literally built for us based on the vehicle we're using and how heavy that vehicle is. I've taken the liberty of doing the research to making sure there's as little chance of Paul dying on the side of a mountain by himself, because I'll be at home on the couch, with these as possible. So as you can see, there is differences because we ordered one set with ice picks, because it does get very slippery up here, ice and a bunch of stuff that a lot of other areas don't get. So the rears are gonna have ice picks on them, which we've already seen from Sean's vehicle, have nicely created their own hieroglyphics in our floor. All right, so as you can see with our really high clearance bumper that we custom modified from Mercenary Off-Road in Utah, not only did we customize that, we got rid of all the exhaust tips, but we maintained all the factory exhaust. So we had the resonators relocated, new pipes bent to put them up here. We also have stainless tip down tips, so they're not just cut off here. We just haven't picked them up and welded them on yet. But for the most part, this bumper is bracketed and welded to the frame. We can land on this shit now. That ass. This is our entry into the Canadian Baja. Slim Shady. So these ridiculous things are American Track Trucks Dominator XL tracks. And this is a custom set we had to make for us. So it's not the light duty, not the heavy duty. It's in the middle, but he has the truck, the weights, everything involved. So hopefully this will make it through the race. So you've probably followed this current Jeep build we have going on here.
It's a truck, man.
Since we were a Jeep shop, we built this Ram 1500 Rebel GT. There's not much Ram left to it. See, we keep ripping pieces off. We've got winch bumpers and light bars and snowshoes and all kinds of other things on it. So this truck is fully outfitted with all the BDS suspension we could find. It has the 6-inch lift with the Fox 2.5 adjustable coilovers in the front with the matching 2.5 adjustable piggyback shocks in the rear all the way around. We then have the Dominator XL tracks. We've got Addictive Desert Design front bumper with a Warn winch fit in it. We have a rear bumper from Mercenary Off-Road for a 1-ton that we have completely redone from the ground up to fit a 1/2-ton. We have the tightest rear end, hasn't been to the gym once. It's amazing. You'd love that, wouldn't you, Mom? We've got the Go Fast camper up here with an awning because rooftop tents are so 10 years ago. So it's all about canopy campers now. If you don't have a canopy camper, you're not even camping.
Are you even overlanding?
Yeah, are you even overlanding if you don't have a canopy? Like, we still aren't considered overlanders because we don't have a diesel heater. We don't have a scuttle.
Oh no.
Our fridge don't make ice.
Uh-oh.
We don't have an air conditioner.
Nope.
For the tent. I don't even know what we're doing. Here's our spare 37-inch tire mounted in a rack with 40 liters of fuel. We've got our Dometic fridge back here. We got half a decked unit. Don't see that very often, do you? Yeah, we took a deck unit, got rid of the other half, threw it in the garbage.
That happened.
And then we custom made all the pieces so it functionally works and it's solid, like beautiful. We've got all the goodies in here. We've got potato chips, we've got tracks, everything.
Everything.
Probably even a box of Lego in this drawer. We even got a nice little ladder so old little Paul can get up into his tent. Well, it's been a good run. Paul's loaded up. He's heading off into the snow with Sean. So, if you enjoyed the content we made with Paul, I'm sorry it's coming to an end. It was nice knowing him, but honestly, as long as we get the insurance money out of the truck, we'll be fine. Paul's wife, he has very good insurance on him, so she'll be covered.
I do.
It's all good. Good luck. Don't call me.
All right, so I've just gone about 20-something kilometers for the first time in tracks on Swim Shady, the Epic Ram Rebel, and wow, this is a blast, absolute blast. Instant traction, awesome speed, cool sounds, everything about it. The experience is, you gotta do this, it's pretty awesome.
Looking for an epic Jeep or Ram? Give us a call.